I think this statement the Chief Justice has put out there reinforces what has always been there. We say a tradition. Tradition is like a convention. It's not a rule of law. It's a rule of practice. And what it means is that the judges who sit over these cases, they use their discretion to call cases, but it's not a strict application of any practice or any rule of law. So in the first place, I'll say that whatever the Chief Justice said, I wholly and wholeheartedly support him. It is the good for the profession that certain traditions that we came to meet, we don't only stick to it because they are traditions, but we stick to it for the good of the profession itself. I like always to put these things in proper context. There are a lot of traditions that we have at a bar. You go to a court, you bow to a judge. It's a tradition. A day is never going to come that people are going to greet a justice like you are greeting a soldier in the street. We go to court and there are traditions. One of the traditions is the fact that the Attorney General has got preeminence over everybody in the courtroom. Anybody come from the AG's office, he could be the junior most person in there. It's a tradition. It's a form of respect that we give to an office. It doesn't mean that when Attorney General comes to court, his law is better than anybody in there. And so forth and so on. And it is, from our perspective, all of these things are absolutely necessary to ensure that a day does not come that everything breaks down and then we have something on our hands that we cannot give a name to. It is true that, as someone has said, it makes a junior appears maybe not a non-lawyer, but like inferior to a senior. It is not true. Even when we came into the practice, I'm not talking this way because I'm now a senior. But when we came into a practice, this is the trial we came to be. But the judges always have a discretion. It's not even true that cases are strictly called in the order of seniority because a judge combines this with his own case management. So if we're senior, a judge can single you out and tell you that, okay, can we have the case of this person called? But the judge is not bound as a matter of law. The tradition does not bind the judge to do it in a particular way, but it's an observation.